What's up, my YouTube family? How's everybody doing today? Welcome to another training session. Let's enjoy this jam. And we're gonna start in about 2 minutes, all right? But I want you to enjoy the music for now. So while we warm up, we'll get y'all ready. Now we're just gonna listen to some music for a little bit, all right? Is that all right? All right, cool. Let's go right on the board what we're gonna talk about today. This way you kind of have an idea, all right? So start in about 2 minutes, okay? Alright, welcome back to this training video. And as I said before, we're going to be talking about the top 100 work from home jobs that you can find online. Say if you just want to stay home, do something from home, and you want to find the companies that are willing to give you that opportunity. And I have a list for you. Alright, we're going to give you some of the list because they're really big lists. For you to get the entire list, alright, it's 100. Alright, for you to get the entire list, there's a description in the link of this video, the description of the video. I click on that link, it's going to take you to get this list, okay? Now, we're going to talk about a few of them, and you can take advantage of them and use them, okay? Now, one of the biggest ones we know about let me make sure I'm still recording. Be ashamed if I'm not recording. Yes, we're recording. So I just want to make sure we're recording. So get this thing going. All right. So the first one we'll look at. Did you know that Apple Apple have a program. All right. Apple has a program for you to sign up for their work from home program, all right, as well as Amazon. Amazon has a program as well for their work from home program, and IBM. I'm just pointing out some of the big names that you guys will recognize. But when you get the list, there's a lot more companies on there, companies that you don't know about, that are able to the Hilton. A lot of people know about the Hilton, so you can get a job from there. Let's see what we can. Xerox. So we're gonna fit Xerox on here. Let's see. All right, here's some of the companies. Let's see what we can find on here that you may know. IT Pros. All right. So these are some of the companies that will give you a work from home job. Okay. Now you can take the list down, but again, you're gonna have a bigger list. All right. Check the description of this video. There's a link in that video. Click on the link. It's gonna take you to my site. Where you'll be able to get this entire list. The 100 list, you'll be able to get it. All right. So just gonna erase this. Did you get it down? Let me leave it a little bit longer. All right. Pretty sure you do. But again, don't worry. You'll get the list. Once you click on the link below, you'll be able to get this list completely. I'm just going to find a few more that you can write. Let's see here. The U.S. Department of State. All right. Let's see who else. When I used to manage, there's a company called Kronos. You heard of them? They on here. All right, and they mostly deal with scheduling. They're huge, big on that, and it's a pretty big company. So again, they will give you a work from home job. So again, in my video, in the description of the video, you're going to see a link. Click on that link. It's going to take you directly to my website. You're going to download the 100 list, okay? Top 100 list of work from home jobs company. Okay, they'll hire you to work from home. Now, if you're looking for something else, all right, if you're looking for a work from home opportunity, not a work from home job, work from home opportunity, okay, you can send me an email to nowcurtis@gmail.com. Now Curtis, I'm going to put that on the board. You can just say, hey Curtis, shoot me. Shoot whatever you have. Whatever you have, send it to me. All right, I'm glad you said whatever I have. All right, so you're going to send me an email to this number. All right, send me an email there, and you can title send it. Okay, send up. I don't know exactly what that is. Okay, you can do that, and I'll send it right to you. All right. So again, if you're looking for a work from home opportunity, not a work from home job, then you can send me an email to nowcurtis@gmail.com. If you're looking for the work from home jobs, then description my video, click on that link. It's going to take you directly to my website. You download the 100 list, top 100 work from home jobs. All right, thanks so much for watching my video, and again, you have a great day, and hopefully we'll be able to catch again. Subscribe to my video, okay? Click on the notification bell so when I post new videos, you know when those come out, and hopefully we get to meet again very soon. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful and peace and a wonderful time. Again, don't forget to email me, and don't forget to check out the link to get your list, okay? Have a great day and enjoy. So, if you want the list, go here. And if you want the opportunity from me, all right,